Hey, welcome to another 100 5-minute meals here in Taipei, Taiwan. Right now, I'm speaking to you from the balcony of my son's apartment in downtown Taipei. And we're getting ready to go out, do a little exploring while he's at work. We're going to visit some places of interest. Over the next few days, we're going to go to a night market, go to some of the other landmarks in town. And of course, we're going to eat. We're going to see what kind of food they're serving here and how you can eat healthy while you're traveling. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I am. Okay, here's a little shot from the balcony here at Jeremy's apartment. Just taking a little look at the skyline. We're getting ready to point it in the sun. I'm not sure how well that will work. But let's go see what we can see from street side. All right, so we're just exiting from the alleyway where my son's apartment is. And we're going to head to Taipei 101, the tallest building in Taipei, tallest building in Taiwan. Lots of little cubbyhole places where you where the locals drop in to eat. A lot of traffic, and as you can see, thousands of motor scooters. We'll see more of that later. And they don't watch for pedestrians either. You can see where they're all parked. So this is the 7-Eleven, which are just ubiquitous in Taiwan, and it's kind of a one-stop shop. You can get your coffee, get groceries, use the Wi-Fi, get money out of the ATM, and get toiletries. So it looks like this is a place where they do steamed dumplings. And there is our immediate destination, Taipei 101. That's the taller of those two buildings that you see. All right, so we're waiting to cross the street here, and we'll be dealing with a little bit of Taipei traffic. Taipei reminds me quite a bit of New York City, but cleaner and more modern. So this is a pedestrian way that's near the big building. Upscale stores where people with lots of money can spend it. And we're also probably early. Maybe they come out for lunchtime. All right, here we are, getting ready to go up there. Big city. And a fourth side of the building. So this is so cool. This is a damper at the top of the building that helps protect against building sway in the case of high winds or an earthquake. And here's a lower view of the building damper. And like so many places around the world, In the big building is a food court of mostly not great food. So when I was here a few years back, I went to Hualien, a seaside town in South Taiwan, and these oyster omelets were everywhere, ubiquitous, so I thought I would give it a try here and see if it matches up with my memory. Interestingly, this meal was only about $5 US. And here we are in the subway station, and as a former New Yorker, I got to tell you, I really appreciate the subways here in Taipei. All right, having dinner in a vegan restaurant in Taipei, Taiwan with son and friends.
February 2024.
Yay!
It's a leap year.
And it's a leap year.
And the end of a long, very active day in Taipei, Taiwan. If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.